Hey brides, welcome back. Since we've already knocked out the bridesmaids bouquets, this week we'll be working on mine. If you like those, then you're definitely going to love this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Check the description box for all the supplies used, and stay tuned. I purchased this foam ball from Michaels, and of course I used a coupon. The handle I'm going to use is just an empty wrapping paper roll. And just like I did in my bridesmaids bouquet video, I'm just going to wrap it, cover it up in some ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby with the coupon. This is 2-inch wide satin ribbon in white. One thing I wish I would have done is covered the end of the tube first before I began wrapping this. So now that that's all done, I'm just going to stick my handle into my foam ball and add some hot glue in there and just really make sure that I have it in there like really sturdy. And then I'm just going to cover the bottom with ribbon. And the other bouquets I've seen, the bottom is covered with ribbon and I don't really like that look. So I'm just going to glue some ribbon onto the bottom. Not in any particular order because I am just going to cover it up with bling wrap. So right here I'm just measuring all my ribbon so that it's kind of the same length. And I'm just going to glue it all to the bottom just to cover up the styrofoam. So now that the ribbon is all done, I did let it overlap over the edge a little bit just because I know that my flowers aren't really going to be able to cover up the edge of this really well. So I covered it with the ribbon so the styrofoam won't be shown. So now that the ribbon is all glued down, I'm just going to go over it with the bling wrap in the same way that I did the ribbon. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with the bottom. So, when in doubt, just bling it out. Now that that's done, I have two size flowers. I have a big one and a small one. I did cheat you guys. I ordered these off Amazon because I could not figure out how to roll a ribbon to save my life. So I'll definitely have the link for that below in the description box. But I really like them. They're satin ribbon, hand rolled roses, like how I wanted and could not produce myself. And I'm just gluing them on in no particular order, just like I did my bridesmaids bouquet. I'm just gluing them down, getting them close to each other, but not that they're on top of each other. And I go all the way down to the bottom. So now it's fully covered, and I love that. And see the bottom, it's super cute. So now I'm just going to add my brooches that I got off Totally Dazzled. And this one right here is my favorite. I just ordered a mix pack, so that's why they're all different. I didn't know which ones to get, so I just ordered the mix pack and I'm very happy with it. And you can't see in this video, but guys, these shine so beautifully. They are so pretty in person. And some of them, like this one right here, has a pin on the back. So the ones with the pin, I just stuck them through the flowers. And there are some that didn't have, that don't have a pin on the back, and those are the ones I just glued down. And I'm basically really just trying to cover up any gaps that I have where you can see the styrofoam. And I don't want them to be bunched together, so I'm trying to, place them differently along the bouquet. And one thing I didn't show in this video because I thought of it when I was done recording is in my bridesmaids bouquet, I had these diamond head pins, and I went ahead and used some of those in this bouquet as well. That one's pretty awesome. That brooch right there is clear like glass. And this one didn't have a pin in the back, and I'm gluing that one down. When you're making this, it's good to pause every once in a while and go to a mirror and turn the bouquet around in the mirror so you can, see where you can add it more brooches or, take some things away just to get a better view. I held it away from myself sometimes, but the mirror helped more. I may have spent about $50 to make this bouquet when the ones I've seen online start at least 100, and in my opinion this looks better than the $100 bouquets. And here she is, guys. Isn't she so pretty? I love this so much. I cannot wait to walk down the aisle with it. And if they think I'm throwing this in a bouquet toss, they are crazy. So maybe that'll be another tutorial. I'll make a throwaway bouquet because this one is mine forever. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. And guys, if you recreate any of these tutorials, please don't be shy and share. I would love to see your work. Until next time, have a great day.